Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, GHA family and friends. This is going to be one of our first 6th grade videos. So it's going to be our lesson 19 problem set. That is the homework for you guys today. So I will be reading the story problem and helping you with the first question. Okay? So here we go. It says Victor was having a hard time deciding which new vehicle he should buy. He decided to make the final decision based on the gas efficiency of each car. A car that is more gas efficient gets more miles per gallon of gas. When he asked the manager at each car dealership for the gas mileage data, he received 2 different representations, which are shown below. So you know that we have a table and a graph here for vehicle 1 and vehicle 2. All right. So if we look at that first table, it's labeled vehicle 1. It's called a legend, and it has gallons of gas and number of miles on the table. So you can already see that. So if you're looking at it, you'll see that our ratio for vehicle 1 is 4 to 72. So what do we do with those numbers when we need to find out how many miles we get off 1 gallon of gas? We have to divide. So we take our 72 and we divide it by 4. I'm going to show you in standard algorithm, okay? So here we go. We have 72 inside of the box and 4 on the outside. So our first question is to ask ourselves, how many times does 4 go into 7? Well, 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. And 7 minus 4 leaves us with 3. We know that 4 can't go into 3 because it's too small. So our next step is to bring down the 2. So this should be very easy. How many times does 4 go into 32? Let's count. We have 4, 8, 16, 20, 24, 28, and 32. So that should be 8 times. Exactly 32. 32 minus 32 gives us 0. Okay? So we know that we got to go back and look at our table, and we can see that for 1 gallon of gas, we get 18 miles. Okay? Okay, so that is for the first car, vehicle 1, the legend. Okay, so now, as we did in class today, vehicle 2, the supreme, is a graph, and usually it lets us know right on the graph what 1 gallon of gas would get us. But here it only shows us what 3 gallons of gas would get us. So 3 gallons of gas, if you look at your graph, we go over to the 3 and up, and we look and we see that for 3 gallons of gas, we get 50 miles, okay? So that is also a ratio because that is also a coordinate,
Can we stop?
yeah.